Look what we got.
We're happy.
We got! Finally!
Can you see what it is?
KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press.
Yes!
Stand mixer attachment. It has 6 dies to make 6 different kinds of spaghettis. Say that word. Bucatini, rigatoni, spaghetti, fusilli, large, grande macaroni, and small macaroni.
Ooh, look at all the shapes we can make.
I'm going to unbox it right here. Want to help?
Yeah, sure. We can't wait to get this going on our KitchenAid machines,
We
right?
wanted to get this right away, and today we went to 3 different stores, and we made sure online they had it at that store.
Yep.
And we went to the one, he says, yeah, I got 4 in stock. Couldn't find it anywhere, so we looked through the whole store. We figured we're going to find them hidden somewhere. Couldn't find it.
Behind the curtains and everything.
Yeah, then
we searched.
while we were in Allentown, maybe you saw we ate dinner at the, well, you didn't see that yet. We ate at a diner in Allentown. That'll be on my channel tomorrow maybe. Anyway, we were in Allentown, and we went on another store's website, and they said they had it, and you called to make sure,
Yep.
and they said they didn't have it, right?
Right, they said they didn't have it. And Rick said, well, we're here, let's go take a look.
Yeah.
We looked, they didn't.
And they had it. We walked in the door, and they had one on the shelf, and she said, can I help you? So I want one of these. Oh, let me see if I have it. And so then she said, we have it. Want to help?
Would have been easier to just buy it online. I'm trying.
Ooh,
Ooh,
Just
it looks
before
like
me.
a briefcase.
Oh, it's nice. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Take it out.
Wait, let me get the camera.
Take it out!
We'll take a closer look for you.
That's close. We're gonna make some macaroni. We'll make some homemade spaghetti.
Hold it still for a minute. There we go.
Look it now. Whoa!
Wow.
Look at this pocket here.
Oh, it's like opening a computer box.
Fresh pasta. All right. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna read these instructions tonight, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Or you'll read them and point at the pictures for me.
Yeah.
Look at these dies. Oh, they're pretty nice quality. Different shapes. And they're labeled right on there. Rigatoni, macaroni.
Good.
It's going to be cool. It cuts to the length you want and everything. Small macaroni. Love it. And bucatini. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's one connected already. Yeah. Spaghetti. And then it cuts it to the length like this. Precision, right? Oh, alright, we're going to read about this. There's another tool. It's like a poker kind of tool. We're going to read it up.
Yeah, let me see the...
And who gets to try it first? Me?
Or me.
Maybe you can make some dough and I can have that on
Yeah,
mine.
we gotta do it. We gotta do part of it in the mixer and part of it with the attachment.
Yeah, we mixed the dough.
See, this is what fits into the
To attach it to the
front part of the machine.
power takeoff. PTO.
Power takeoff. But we're gonna learn about it and get a nice recipe ready, and then in the morning.
Well, the moral to our short story is it's easier to buy it online, I'll tell you. Right? So much gas, and we ended up spending $30 at a diner just because we were in the area. Yeah, but
Oh.
we had to eat anyway.
Yeah.
Get yourself one and make pasta with us. We're just showing you unboxing now to get you excited because we're going to make it tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll show you how it works.
We want to learn it good. We
We
don't
never
want to
tried it either,
we don't want to look like we don't know what we're doing.
but we want to make something nice. I'm impressed with the quality.
Yeah,
of
they're
these.
nice, solid.
Plastic and metal.
Yeah.
No rubber or
Made in
anything
Italy.
like that. That's gonna wear out. It's good.
This unscrews, I imagine, and put it on there. I'm not going to read it first. I'm going to break it. I'm used to breaking things
Oh,
right away.
yeah.
Oh, this is a tool, I bet you. Like for your water filters at work.
No, it holds your,
See?
it holds your disc in
And that also
place.
loosens that. And you change the die there. Oh, an
Wow.
auger.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's read up on it.
Wait, I want to see that a minute. Inside. Oh, they have one in place
Yeah,
already.
there's
Oh, that's
spaghetti.
just spaghetti. Okay.
so we have 6 shapes we can make. That's gonna be great.
Oh, this looks appetizing and delicious.
Can't wait. It's gonna go right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't wait
Thanks
to
for
show
watching
you.
the unboxing. Stop back tomorrow.
Our new toy.
Get yourself one. We're gonna be making pasta pretty often. So pass the word. Please subscribe. Have a nice night.
See you.